Hi there! Today we're going to make this lovely flower bracelet. It's easy to make, beginner friendly, and it's also versatile because you can put a lot of variation into that by connecting the different flowers however you would like. So let's get into it. My name is Shanta from Akonitune. Great that you are here. For this project I'm using 18 gauge copper wire in silver color. You will also need bail making pliers and additional pliers to wiggle everything into shape. Start by making a loop and then make a loop of the same size directly beneath it. The wire should come out under the bridge in the middle. Then form the next loop beneath the previous loop, this time with the wire coming out over the bridge in the middle. Afterwards we form a fourth loop directly beneath, with the wire coming out under the middle bridge. Then repeat the process by making 2 additional loops. The first time the wire should come out over the bridge and the last time under it. We snip the end with a flush cut and push our flower together to make it look nice and even. Let's repeat the whole process one more time. We can easily make a clasp for our bracelet using the same flower elements. Just form a hook when the wire comes from your last flower element. For the other part of the clasp, you form a larger oval bail and close it with blunt ends. I have attached a drum ring to it because then we can close the bracelet nicely flat without any turns or tilts of the clasp. To connect the single flower elements, we need several infinity elements. If you want to know how to make these in a uniform way, I made a video about it and I have it linked for you below. But you can connect the flowers with any connection you would like. A connection with bead elements should also look very nice. In our case here, I'm using 2 infinity elements to connect the flowers. Make sure the openings of the loop are facing in the same direction when you connect the flowers. There's one open end to each flower. Of course, you could also solder it together, but we will connect each side to the infinity elements, which also gives our bracelet a wonderful stability. Also make sure that the what I called bridges, meaning these horizontal parts between the loops, are all facing upwards. This is the result. Please like, subscribe and share if you enjoyed this video. See you next time on a Tune and have a nice day.